Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the products I use to get this fantastic wash and go, and I'll be sharing my thoughts on the products. Be sure to stay till the end as I come back on day 3 to show what my hair looks like after a few days of wearing my hair out in the wash and go. So starting on freshly washed hair, I first go in with my leave-in conditioner. I use the Trepadora Babassu Quench leave-in curl primer, which is described as the ultimate base for styling. It works to increase curl definition with cuticle smoothing properties without weighing your hair down. And I must say, I do completely agree with those claims. With my leave-ins, I usually apply them without sectioning my hair like how I'm doing here, but I didn't anticipate this leave-in to be quite so thick, so it wasn't the easiest to distribute throughout my whole hair. But this isn't a negative, it just means that next time I'll be sure to section my hair when applying this product, as I believe that that's how this product will perform best. I loved this leave-in conditioner. My hair looked and felt super glossy and shiny. My curls were clumped together. And did you notice that frizzy section of my hair right in the middle before I applied any product? As you can see, there is minimal frizz in that area now. So if the leave-in conditioner can get rid of my frizz and help define my curls, this is a sign that this is going to end up being a successful wash day. This product is super moisturizing and smells delicious. And because of how thick it is, I would definitely use this product by itself when doing styles like a low puff or a low bun straight after washing my hair. I really like this leave-in conditioner. For the gel, I use the Trepadora Bamboo Ginseng Curling Glaze, which they described as a super strong hold gel. I've had stronger hold gels, I'm not going to lie. I wouldn't necessarily describe this as a super strong hold like they do. I would describe it of more as a strong but flexible, lightweight hold. When applying this gel, I noticed that my hair seemed to be drying as I was applying it. I was like, okay, my hair's drying fast today. This is weird. It didn't feel dry as in lack of moisture, but it didn't feel soaking wet anymore, like what my hair usually feels like after applying the product. This is a feeling that I've never had from a gel before, so I had a quick look on their website and it actually says that this curling glaze can help speed up the drying time. So even before I knew that this was a property of this gel, I was feeling the effects of this. So the increased drying time with this gel is definitely true. I really enjoyed applying this gel. It's easy to distribute, it smells great, defines really quickly, so I didn't have to spend ages raking through my hair, which is great to reduce manipulation. I worked in sections from the back all the way to the front of my hair until all my hair was covered in product, and this is what my hair looked like when all the gel was applied. To help separate my curls and to help create volume and movement when it's dry, I like to shake the curls out after applying the gel to make sure that the curls are still defined but not too clumped together. I left my hair to dry overnight, and this is what my hair looked like in the morning when I took off my bonnet. Very shrunken up, as you can see. I always find it so funny how my hair looks when it's shrunk up like this. I stretch it off camera, but do let me know if you would like an updated video on how I do stretch my hair like this. Okay guys, I had to come and actually speak to you rather than doing a voiceover for this part because I can't quite believe how good my hair looks right now. I've been looking in the mirror like, wow, is this my hair? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, I'm not sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. I need you to focus. Focus on this. Can you see this? What? No, guys, look at my hair. Oh my gosh, I cannot quite believe how good my hair looks right now. I have nothing bad to say. Nothing bad to say. My curls are defined everywhere. It feels really nice. I've got volume. I can feel the hold. I can tell that this is gonna last a long time. I am gonna come back in a few days' time to show my hair later on in the week as well, but wow, I am speechless. I don't know what to say because my hair just looks so good. So I've been wanting to experiment with different wash and go products, and I feel like I found my combo on the first try. What? Trepadora! Yes! I'm actually in love. I did have a slight gel cast when it was shrunk up, but now that I've done the stretching and the fluffing and all of that, the gel cast has gone and my hair just now feels really nice and soft. Smells good. I don't have any like product residue on my hands when I'm touching my hair, which I really like. Like, my hair feels moisturized, but there's no products just sat on top of my hair. What else? There's so much movement. As you can see, it's just so free and bouncy. I'm in love with how my hair looks right now. I'm so excited for this week and just to see how this progresses throughout the week. Like I said, I will come back on day 3 to show you. So yeah, stay tuned to see this wash and go after it's sat and marinated and aged and got nice and big and fluffy, and I can't wait. See you in 3 days. So this is day 3, and if I'm honest, my hair didn't look how I expected it to look. I think my hair still looks really good here. I think it looks great, but I was expecting more volume and more stretch. But as you can see here, my hair is actually more shrunken up than in the previous clips. The definition is still popping, my hair still felt great and looked great, but the products didn't help to hold the stretch as much as other products that I've used for a wash and go. However, it's not put me off the products. I still absolutely love them, and I will definitely be using them again for wash and goes in the future because I think my hair looks and feels great. Let me know your thoughts on how you think these products performed. Let's try and find the absolute perfect wash and go combo that looks good on day 1 and looks good throughout the whole week. So drop some comments in the comment section below of brands and products that you would like me to try for future wash and go videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next one.